Hello everyone. Today in this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaner in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5, Roborock E25. The Roborock E25 robot vacuum cleaner, fast cleaning, no random bumping. A dual gyro system and motion tracking sensors create a high-efficiency cleaning path for every room. 13 onboard sensors provide drop avoidance, anti-collision, trap prevention, self-charging and resumption. 1,800 pascals of intense suction picks up dust, crumbs, and other dirt. Choose to just vacuum, or vacuum and mop your home at the same time for a complete clean. E25 robotic vacuum cleaner automatically identifies carpets and switches to maximum suction. If it runs low on power, it returns to recharge, then resumes where it left off. Use the Mi Home app. Connect Xiaowa E-Series to start, stop, schedule, customize, charge, spot clean, check accessory status, and control movement direction. The Roborock provides you a 1-year warranty. At number 4, iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus robot vacuum cleaner power lifting suction delivers 10x the air power * for improved pickup performance. Premium 3-stage cleaning system cleans the dirt and pet hair you see and the allergens and dust you don't. Imprint smart mapping enables the robot to learn, map and adapt to your home. It intelligently maps and remembers multiple floors plans to clean your entire home. Imprint Link technology allows Roomba i7 Plus and Brava Jet M6 robots to automatically clean in sequence, vacuuming and then mopping. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus robot vacuum cleaner. You can immediately clean the kitchen either using your Alexa or the Google Voice Assistant. It's ideal for homes with pets. Allergen lock bags use 4 layers of allergen blocking material to trap 99% of pollen, mold, and dust mites. Brushes adjust and flex to stay in constant contact with carpets and hard floors. At number 3, Eufy Robot Vacuum. The Eufy Robot Vacuum Cleaner Slim 2.85, body with upgraded to 1,500 pascals suction only clean the areas you want. It will automatically increase suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed so you can get the best clean. Up to 100 minutes of constant, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave from this robot vacuum cleaner. Its advanced brushless motor significantly reduces vacuuming noise. The Eufy Home app and the Google Assistant voice control services let you accomplish your vacuuming needs with zero effort from you. This vacuum cleaner has 30C, 13.2 feet boundary strips, remote control charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide, and worry-free 12-month warranty. At number 2, Corady R750 Robot Vacuum. The Corady R750 Robot Vacuum Cleaner supports Boost Intellect technology, enables it automatically increase suction power within seconds when the carpet is detected, moves effortlessly from hard surface floor to carpet. Once off the carpet, normal suction returns. Upgrade vacuums up to 1600 PA max pure power suction strength for an impressive clean. It is compatible with virtual boundaries. Specialized new upgraded sensors detect boundary strips to ensure your robot only cleans the areas you want. Corady R750 Robot Vacuum Cleaner adopts latest mopping technology, equipped with an electronically controlled water pump, automated monitor and control the water level according to the dryness and humidity of the floor without spillage. You can get to enjoy a completely clean home from an intelligent mopping system. It has a 1-year warranty. At number 1, Ecovacs Dbot N79S. The Ecovacs Dbot N79S robotic vacuum cleaner equipped with 2 side brushes and a main brush. Dbot will sweep, lift, and vacuum to clean an entire floor, a small area, or the edge of your floor. Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands. Ecovacs Smart app comes with 5+ advanced features including direct control, scheduling, status updates, cleaning modes, accessory status, etc. It can be managed online via smartphone. Ecovacs Dbot N79S Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. You can increase suction power by up to 2x for particularly troublesome messes. Longer battery life for even more cleaning. Auto return and charging means your robot will always be ready to clean. It comes with charging dock, dual-length side brushes, the high-efficiency air filter, remote control with battery, cleaning tool, customer support. 1-year warranty.